Hi, welcome to my channel. Today let's review the topic around can Ruben Amorim's Manchester United show consistency and the same spirit? Manchester United in the last three games not only displayed a transformed performance, but it also had a great level of determination, pride, and desire that every Manchester United fan across the globe would be truly very proud of. After a string of defeats home and away under Amorim's helm, there was plenty to ponder on how such a big club is still languishing in the bottom half of the Premier League table. The answer on how the team needs to transform, play as a group, support one another was very much visible in the last three games. Hardly anyone would have bet their money on Manchester United against Gunners in the third round FA Cup and the daunting game against leaders Liverpool at Anfield. Manchester United lately have been branded as a team to fight with the bottom half competition and not with the class and quality of the top four anymore. Such has been the dismal results performance in the last 13 years since winning the last Premier League title when Sir Alex Ferguson retired. Branded as one of the worst Manchester United teams ever to visit Anfield, they almost shocked the leaders off the perch. Such was the performance that night Manchester United displayed, worthy of all 3 points, battled until the end, despite going behind to a harshly given penalty decision. The mood, desire, hard work, and change of mindset of players was very much visible at Etihad when Manchester United defeated champion City away for all 3 points. The standard set at Etihad was hardly replicated back home against a strong and resurgent Nottingham Forest and Newcastle. Frustration, disappointment was all over Old Trafford. Amorim's Manchester United was determined to change that, raising levels for a tough assignment against arch rivals Liverpool and Arsenal. Manchester United was looking at being out of both domestic cups and languishing in the bottom half of the league and nowhere near a European place. The character and discipline displayed during the Liverpool and Arsenal games will live in memory for a long time coming. Altay Bayınder's galvanizing penalty saves, consistency and calmness in dispatching the spot kicks by the players comes a long way in inspiring the team to remain consistent. Despite numerical disadvantage against Arsenal, Manchester United did create chances and kept themselves in the game and Arsenal at bay with sheer determination and grit. Is this the turning point? All have been waiting in Manchester United's comeback to glory days. Finally, will that happen under Ruben Amorim's helm? Focus will be on Premier League with home clash against Southampton, who are fighting to survive at the bottom of the table. They will definitely go all out, give everything to take something out of Old Trafford. Failure to defeat Southampton will again spark negative sentiments and frustration. It is now up to Amorim's Manchester United to get the job done, ease the pressure, continue the positive form by getting all 3 points at Old Trafford against Southampton. Manchester United need to show consistency, display same spirit, determination and grit against Brighton on Sunday in the league as well. Take the same positivity to the Europa Cup game against Rangers. Europa Cup is a big opportunity for Manchester United if they have any dreams of returning back to Champions League. Ruben Amorim and the Manchester United players are aware of what is needed of them, just need to remain consistent, have the same spirit, desire and determination, play and support as a team as they did against Manchester City, Liverpool and Arsenal. Well, that's it from my side. Please provide your comments, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such reviews. Until next time, take care.